In this video, I will be showing you how to download video from Telegram private channel. First, launch your Telegram application, create a new channel. So let's just say I'm going to name it as Secret Channel. And then for description, everything is up to you. For me, I'll have this private videos. And then after that, all I have to do is to click check, tap private channel, and then tap any of your friends list that you want to be a member for the secret channel. And then after that, kindly select any videos that you wanted to share to this channel. You can select from your gallery, for example, this one. Okay, wait as it is uploading. And then once done, you can now tap the icon share. Share this video from a private channel to any of your friends. For example, I'm going to send it to C. Then C received the video, and then C wants to save the video or download the video. So all she has to do is to tap the video and then click the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down and click save to gallery. As easy as that. Now exit the application, go to the file manager or file folder, and then check if the video is there. As you can see, it's there. So I downloaded it successfully. I do really hope that this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again in our next video tutorials.